Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Ngrs next gen recoil shot Recce rifle. So this one is in the tan, quite rare. They're not for sale anymore, so Ngrs don't make them. So yeah, don't see these around very often. So we've done a new bolt stop lever spring. Sorry, for that was broken. We've got the Gate Titan Basic installed, EagleSix M95 spring, Prometheus Air Nozzle, AOE spacer, Prometheus cylinder head, Prometheus gold bar set going back here to convert over to Dean's. I think we'll be providing 2 batteries to go with it. We've put a new stock tube contact set on here to provide a much more consistent connection. With this, as you're obviously sliding it. There was a missing screw at the back here. We've replaced that, and we've got the Laylax Trigger Pin in here just to prevent the coming loose, basically. Yeah, that's a cool looking gun, and we'll just test it now just to demonstrate it working. Put a mag in. All tested, so we hope you enjoy the build. Any other problems, let us know, but yeah, thank you very much for using us.